Hi guys, good morning. It is extremely cold outside, 28 degrees. I must confess, did not want to get out of the bed today, but I'm so excited about this DIY and want to share it with you guys. I hope you remember this DIY, and if you don't, I hope that you will go back and check it out. I will also put a link down below so that you can just hit it, check out this video. But what I decided to do was take the painter's tape and outline the areas that I want to have spray painted in a different color. And I'm turning it so you can see the pattern on it. I'm going to keep the bottom solid, but you can choose to put the pattern there as well if you want to. It's just a random way I place the tape there, so it's no, big deal. But I don't want it on the bottom. I want it to be solid. Now this is the copy of the ZGallerie DIY that I did using the 2 beer glass that the Dollar Tree has. And basically I hot glue them together and wrap the diamond wrap around the circle, the round part of the glasses, just so it looks even and balanced. Now I'm going to take it up a notch today, and I didn't even think I could make it any better because I really love the simplicity of it, but I'm going to just give it a little touch. So what you'll need for this, painter's tape. You'll also need spray paint. You will also need some more diamond wrap because I'm considering adding diamond wrap to the top or possibly around the base. Not quite sure yet. We'll see. We may just leave it as is. No big deal. So with that said, I'm going to take it outside, spray paint it, and if this is your first time to my channel, I want to welcome you. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I hope that you will leave me a message. Let me know this is your first time. If you like the video, and I hope that you do, and consider being a subscriber, or just hit the subscribe button, become a part of this family. Guys, we have fun here. We create simple, elegant, beautiful home decor for less, and I hope that you want to be a part of that. So let me take this out, spray paint it, and I'll be back. Guys, I survived going outside. Don't know if it's completely perfect, but it's as good as it's going to get because I don't want to be outside any longer. It is too cold. Okay, let's see the reveals. And I don't want to wait till it's fully dry because I don't want it to ruin the paint. So this spray paint does work pretty fast. And I know I probably could paint on the inside with the acrylic paint, but I'm more of a spray paint girl. I like it quick and easy. I know. Quick and easy. So let's see where we start with this tape. I can't find my starting. Alright, let me figure out how to get this off and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I don't like the way it turned out, so I am going to go ahead, spray paint it, make it one color, and then I will come back and share it with you guys. Alright? Okay guys, so I really love this. It is clean, sleek, nice curves. Love the color. I'm glad that I chose that color to go with the silver. Really love that. So I did not want to do any more diamond wrap as I thought about it. I brought it back in and let's do beads. So I'm thinking that, excuse me guys, the beads would add a little bit more to it, and I'm using the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry. This is not the Dollar Tree. This is the Walmart adhesive gems. and I love them because they go on very easy. And be careful because I'm not sure this is fully dry. But I was planning on toasting this morning, so I can't wait for it to dry. I have an appointment I have to go to. So I'm going to be very, very careful. So I'm going to go ahead, finish that up. I'll be back to show you my next step, what I've decided to do. Okay guys, hold on. Okay guys, so I decided, since I do like this style, I didn't like the way it looked in the spray paint, I'm going to use the stone to create it. And I went around the edge first, and now I'm counting off 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I like to place at the base a little bit of glue. It has the adhesive, but I like to add some glue there. And so, for only the initial one. And I'm going very slow because the paint is still not fully dry. And I don't want to have a mess. I think I'm really gonna like this DIY. Want to make sure it's even across. And guys, that's all there is to it. I absolutely love the way it's turning out. I'm going to do one more and I'll be finished with that, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like on a table with some flowers in it. Okay guys, I hope that you like the way it turned out as much as I do. I absolutely love it. I want to say it is one of my favorite home decor, and that's the reason why I kept it, and I love it even more now. Hope you feel the same. Give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and if you are not a subscriber, I hope that you will consider being a subscriber and hit the subscribe button. Guys, thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video.